Here's a quick demonstration of Freon's Mobile for field inspections, Colorado Springs Utilities, Cross Creek inspections. We've got two applications, Freon's Map Viewer for map-centric connected mode only, Freon's Forms for disconnected forms-based application. Let's go into Freon's Mobile Map Viewer. First time this comes up, we have a setup. We got to type in demo4.freons.com. That points to our server where this app is and data is located. Hit Load Profile and hit the pull down for the profile, and you'll see CSU maps on the bottom, and then hit Save. Important to do that. One application, Wastewater System, bring it up, and we say Bing Maps, and as we start to zoom in, we'll see Wastewater System come in, scale dependency, set in ArcMap. We'll start to see labels come up. Is running on a Droid application. And we can also click once to identify a feature. But what I want to do is come in here and zoom to a feature. I can also zoom to my GPS location with the GPS icon here, but I want to search on a inspection. I happen to know the inspection I want to search on is 150.313. We'll search on that. Get the results up. There it is. If I click on the left side, you'll notice it zooms to the location. Let's turn on that layer with the layer command, Clear Creek, and we'll actually see it. There it is in the middle of our screen. Zoom in a little more. If I go back to my search and I click on the right side, I'll bring up the record. Now I want to create a new record of this, a new inspection. So I want to clone this existing one to bring in all my data from my old one. You can see there's all the data. Let's rename it. Let's call it C. 150.313C. And all the information here, I have my domain pull downs that I can modify. Let's say the date modified is today, 9/5/12. Change the score. Alright, let's grab a location. High accuracy GPS. It's indoors here, that's why it's saying I can't find a satellite. Go ahead and hit save and done. And that was it. I can back out of this now since I'm done with that. Let's go back to that search. And lo and behold, we get 3 records now. There's my C that I just created. I can go back in there and modify it so it's showing me where that was located with the GPS coordinates. So again, I click on the right side, I can modify it. I don't want to clone this one, I just want to edit the existing one. Maybe I had a typo in there, or I found something out that's a pipe size is 12. Save and done. Go to the bottom, hit save and done. And there that is. Now, I'm disconnected. I'm not in the map. So let's go to the Forms application, Freon's Forms. And once again, that setup screen comes in the first time. Demo4.freons.com. Hit Load Profiles. Go down and on the profile pull down, make sure we grab not Statesboro but CSU. Hit Save. There is blank for username and password, so just hit login. We don't need to fill anything out. There's our inspections. I want a new one or I want an old one. Once again, I may want to search on that 150. It's go through the same example. 313, search. Bring up the main one, clone it, and we'll call this one E. Same process. Take a picture, grab a GPS location, save and done. Let's go back to the search. Search that one more time. And we have our results there. I can create a new record if I don't want to work off an existing one. Call this one F. Fill out my domain pull downs. In this one I'd probably have to go through all of it since I didn't work with existing data. Grab my location. And hit save and done. Let's go back into search. I want to show you something here. And type in that 150. And there's my E record that I just created. I can go in and edit. So that's how we clone existing records. We have to go into the search, find a record, and then clone it. If I want to create a new record, I just go into new on the map or the app. Just keep hitting the back button on the Android will give you the going forward.